Today I'm going to be showing you how to mount the factory option crossbars that goes with the Brightlines factory mounted roof bars. Mount into this channel right here. If you look in here, you have a lip on this side and you have a lip on this side. There's the Brightlines roof crossbars. Got it from Amazon for I think it was like $106 total, tax and free shipping. Came in one day. I'm gonna open it up and show you what comes in the box. This is how it comes packaged. Take that out. There's your hardware kit, your keys. Comes with an Allen key, 4mm Allen key. Here's your instruction sheets that come with it, which you don't have to worry about because I'll show you how to do it the faster way. There's the other side. Handles 150 pounds. You got two different size bars. You got a 46-inch one, which goes to the rear. You got a 46.5-inch one that goes to the front. And if you look at it from this angle, you got a fat side over here and it tapers down to the back. The fat side points to the front. Same here. Fat side in the front, tapers down to the back. Okay, the instructions tell you to take off this end cap with the key, which is not needed. That step is not needed. You're gonna take a tiny flat blade screwdriver. You're gonna put it between the end cap and the rubber piece, pry it up a little bit, pull this up enough to get access to the bolts right here, okay? You can do that on all four corners. Not rocket science here. There you go, one hand, okay? Pull it back a little bit. Go to this side. Same deal, okay? Okay, after you got your rubber pieces pulled away on all four corners, you're gonna loosen this one. This is the inside. There's your corner. This one you're gonna loosen up almost all the way. You don't want it to come out. The inside one, you give it 1 or 2 turns to loosen it up. When that happens, it allows this piece right here. If you look at it, these are the channels that lock into the top of the Jeep, okay? See, I have it loosened pretty much flush with that. This allows this to come down. You can do that on both sides. See how it comes down? These channels line up on the Jeep into the grooves on the top of the roof rack. Okay? Just like that, loose. You're gonna make sure this is in firmly in the grooves. This is the rubber gasket. You don't want that to come out. That just prevents it from scratching up the chrome. Okay. Now you're on top of the Jeep. You're gonna put it on here like this. You can see the piece that's hanging down. It's gonna fall. You're gonna wanna put it between the two channels. It goes in and it rotates over like that, like so, okay? Then you push the top piece down. You're gonna check the fitment. You're gonna line it up on both sides. You're gonna measure from here to wherever you want it, and you want it to be even on both sides, okay? If you look on the other side, see the plastic that's attached to the body? You're gonna wanna move the crossbar so when you tighten it down, it doesn't pinch the plastic that's mounted on the body. This bracket here is gonna sink down into the channel. Tightened up with the Allen key, okay? On the other side, like I was saying, see how it went down? And I got clearance between the body mount and the crossbar mount. So it's not catching that corner right there. Now you're gonna take your rubber. As you can see here, has a J channel, J channel. J channel goes right under here and locks it into place. So you just gotta take it like so, and it's flexible. And you can just work it in until it's locked in. Okay. Like so. As you can see, it's flush, it's mounted, and it's tight. You're gonna do that to the front bar as well. The channel locks in, okay? You got your 2J metal brackets. They go down and underneath. And you pull it toward you and it locks it into place, okay? And you just push this down. Check the fitment right here. Check this fitment right here. You don't want this corner to bite into the plastic. So you're gonna push it back a little bit. Give yourself some leeway. Push it down. Check the fitment. You see it's not gonna hit this corner right here. Then you tighten it. Get it locked in. You can see it's flush. Like I said, big side goes toward the front, skinny side to the back. It's the front one. Locked in. There's the rear. Locked in. Okay, hope that video helped you.